Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Mangal and I am the final student of EC department, MLT College, Bhilwara. I want to present my seminar report on face recognition technology. I extend my sincere gratitude towards Professor Tej Saraswat and Head of Department and thanks to Assistant Professor Mr. Himanshu Chabra. The list of contents are as follows. First of all, we are discuss about introduction part. Everyday actions are increasingly being handled electronically instead of pencil and pen paper face to face. This growth in electronic transaction result in great demand for fast and accurate user identification and authentication. Access code for building bank accounts and computer systems. Use PIN or for identification and security clearances. Using the proper PIN gains access, but the user of the PIN is not verified when credit and ATM card are lost or stolen. An unauthorized user can often come up with the correct personal codes. Face recognition technology may solve this problem since a face is undeniable connected to its owner, except in the case of identical twins. History. In 1960s, the first semi-automated system for facial recognition to locate the features such as eyes, ears, nose, and mouth on the photographs. In 1970s, Goldstein and Harmon used 21 specific subjective markers such as hair color and lip thickness to automate the recognition. In 1988, Kirby and Sirovich used standard linear algebra technique to the face recognition. Biometrics. A biometric is a unique measurable characteristic of a human being that can be used to automatically recognize an individual or verify an individual identity. Biometrics can measure both physiological and behavioral characteristics. In physiological biometrics, this biometric is based on measurement and data derived from direct measurement of a part of the human body. Behavioral biometrics. This biometric is based on measurement and data derived from an action. Type of biometrics. Physiological, behavioral. In physiological types, finger scan, facial recognition, iris scan, retina scan, hand scan. In behavioral, voice scan, signature scan, keystroke scan. Facial recognition. The face unique part. It requires no physical interaction on behalf of the ear. It is accurate and allows for high enrollment and verification rates. For face recognition, there are two types of comparisons. First, verification. Second, identification. First, verification. This is where the systems compare the given individual with who that individual says they are and give a yes or no decision. This is where the system compares the giving individual to all the other individuals in the database and gives a ranked list of matches. How it works. Face recognition technology. All identification or authentication technologies operate using the following four stages. First, capture. Second, extraction. Third, comparison. Fourth, match non-match. First, capture. A physical or behavioral sample is captured by the system during enrollment and also is identification or verification process. Extraction. Unique data is extracted from the sample and a template is created. Second, comparison. The template is then compared with the new sample. Fourth, match non-match. The system decides if the feature extracted from the new sampler are a match or a non-match. Four stages of the working. First capture, second extraction, third comparison, fourth matching. Advantages of facial recognition technology: convenience, social acceptability. It is easy to use, and in many cases it can be performed without a person even knowing. Face recognition is also one of the most inexpensive biometric in the market, and its price should continue to go down. Disadvantages: is not always accurate, hindered by glasses, marks, long hair, etc. Must ask user to have a neutral faces when pictures are being taken. Consider an invasion of privacy to be watched. Applications of facial recognition technology: access control, attendance monitoring, identification of criminals, public events, secure transactions. Conclusions: factors such as environmental change and mild changes in appearance impact the technology to a greater degree than many expect. For implementation where the biometric system must verify and identify users reliable over time, facial scan can be very difficult but not impossible technology to implement successfully. Some references are as follows. Thank you.